It's me, Miss Hannah, otherwise known as Hannah. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download a free screen recorder, as you guys can see yourselves. So first you want to go to Google, go into full, then in your search bar type in screen recorders, whichever one you want to do. Okay. And it doesn't matter which one you use, but you want to go all the way down to Screencast-O-Matic. Click on it, or double click it, whichever computer you have. Then it should bring you to this screen right here. Then you want to click Start Recording. Okay. So it should start downloading as soon as you click Launch Recorder. I will download it again for you guys, but not for me. Yeah, see, ours is already open, so I can't do that. But I'm gonna see if I can get Pro or something like that. Okay. Now I know I can. Okay. So once you download that, it should bring you to a what do you call them? A launch, like a launcher thing. And now I'm going to show you a different kind of screen recorder thing you can go to. So there's a website, I forgot the name of, but I'll probably go through it eventually once. So first you want to go to Bandicam. It's easy to use. Usually what you want to do is try to find the pros and cons about the stuff. I don't have it, so let's just try it out. So then it should take you to here. It says downloading, please wait. And then it should pop up down here if you're using Google, or if you're using Internet Explorer, it should pop up right here, Firefox up here. And then once it finishes downloading, because mine's pretty fast downloading things, you should double click on it. Then it should take you to a launching thing. And as you can see, I have to type in a passcode for it to work, which I hate. And then it should bring you to this. You click OK, do whatever language you want. This says welcome to Bandicam setup. Just keep clicking yes and yes and yes until it brings you to this. And then you should wait for it to do time. And then you should wait for it to download. Now I'm doing a time lapse right now, so if it's going very fast for me, it's not going to go fast for you. This is just a time lapse. And then it should bring you to here while you're done, and then you click finish. Well, when it finishes. See, it says setup was successfully completed. Click finish. If I can. Jeez. Then it should take a few seconds to finish. Then if you're using a it should pop up in Safari, but just exit out immediately because you don't need it. Then you want to minus out of that. I'm on Windows 7 right now, so if it looks a little weird, I'm on Windows 7, just so you guys know. Then you go to downloads. I got a lot of downloads. Go to the one that has the date you're on today. Today is Friday the 4th, April 4th, 13th, sorry. And I don't see it. There's a lot of 12s, but I don't see any 13. Usually want to slowly go by it. But didn't I save it to its own file? I have no clue. I'm gonna check my documents, see if it's anywhere here. Not this, this is mine. So then you should drag it out. Of course, this is mine, I already dragged it out. So as soon as you drag it out, double click on it, click run, and then it should take you through this process of downloading and installing. I already downloaded it, so it won't make a difference. It should pop up for you guys, but not for me because I got a lot of things. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please subscribe down below so you can leave a like and leave a comment. And starting in a few weeks, my dad is starting his own channel. I'll probably put a link in the description in the future. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.